Welcome to Deeptrue. In this quick tutorial, we'll guide you through setting up your first real-time translation session, from onboarding to your first simulation. Let's get started. To work properly, Deeptrue needs a few things: screen recording, microphone access, and a virtual audio driver. These let Deeptrue hear and speak during your meetings. Next, select your preferred language. Usually, this is your native language. Then choose your partner's language, the one they speak and you'll be hearing. Let's take a look at how you can use Deeptrue. Assistant mode is for when you can speak some of the target language. Deeptrue suggests what to say next and supports you as you speak. Interpreter mode is for when you can't speak the language at all. You speak in your own language and Deeptrue translates and speaks for you. Let's try assistant mode for now. Then choose the voice style for your translated speech. Click the mic button to move forward. Once setup is complete, click Finish Setup to continue. The Deeptrue toolbar will now appear, all set up based on your selections. To begin, click the mic icon. If this is your first time, practice mode will launch automatically. Start regular session lets you use Deeptrue's assistant or interpreter features in a real conversation. Start practice simulates these features with an AI agent, so you can try them out before going live. Choose a scenario, like sales call, interview, or presentation. Let's walk through it using practice mode. In practice mode, the Deeptrue agent will start the conversation.
Thanks for taking the time to speak with me today. I'm interested in learning how your solution could help improve our current workflow.
Speak in your chosen language, or click Smart Suggestion to get a ready-to-use sentence. You can choose from preset suggestions like auto or question, or create your own using custom. Say it out loud.
Could you tell me more about the specific challenges you're facing in your current workflow so I can better understand how our solution might address them?
And the conversation continues naturally.
One of the main issues is the lack of integration between our current tools, which causes delays and errors. How does your solution handle system compatibility?
Click the mic again to end the session. Practice mode runs the first time by default, but you can turn it back on whenever you need it. Just click More Options in the toolbar, go to Settings, and toggle practice mode on under Smart Suggestion. You can also create your own Smart Suggestion templates using the Custom option, perfect for preparing key phrases before a meeting. That's it. Ready to use it in a real conversation? Let's get started.